made that I think at best could be deemed inappropriate. How does this affect the evidence before this court?
I think it definitely, I think you're right in saying that it goes to the credibility of the witnesses, right? Look, I think we all know the phrase, well, I was a little tipsy. Most of us, and I think most people would recognize, okay, somebody was probably drunk and maybe being bashful and not admitting that somebody was drunk in the presence of the court and the judge. But I think that weighs and could potentially weigh pretty heavily on the judge's decision about the credibility of the witnesses.
And if the judge, after this, the judge makes a decision whether or not the stand your ground applies, then the individual defendant, in this case, Marcus Wilson, is free from prosecution. And the alternative, if the judge says it was not stand your ground, then the defendant can say at trial it was self-defense, and the prosecution then has the burden to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he committed this crime. All right, stay with us. Coming up, we're going to stay focused on the status hearing of